There are so many reasons to move to St. Pete. First of all, you have the beautiful beaches, you have great dining, you have a great downtown, and you're close to the airports, St. Petersburg and in Tampa. But there's also home buying, there's real estate. And I want to talk to you about buying a home that has income potential. This is Christian DeBouche, licensed real estate agent with Real Broker, and I help families buy and sell homes here in the Gulf Coast communities of Pinellas County. If that's of interest to you, please give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Today, I want to talk about a listing that came on the market this month that recently had a price reduction. We're talking about a beautiful four-bedroom, two-bath home, 2,116 square foot, and it has a detached ADU. So that's your ability to actually rent a studio apartment above the garage that's detached from the home. It has its own separate entrance. This home's on the market for $725,000, and it's listed with a colleague of mine, Senya Kornova of Real Broker. And I want to talk to you about some of the beauties that this home has to offer. First of all, you're less than 20 minutes from downtown. You're about 35 minutes from Tampa International Airport, and you're about 15 to 20 minutes from all the beaches of Pinellas County. Also, you have an open floor plan. You've got stone countertops, wonderful kitchen, large bedrooms with walk-in closets, and as I mentioned earlier, a detached accessory dwelling unit. So for those of you who are thinking about investing or etc., that's where you can actually have a separate entrance, separate home for long-term and short-term rentals. There's no HOA in the community, so have at it with Airbnb and Verbo. And this is a wonderful opportunity I mentioned earlier, listed for $725,000. It recently had a price reduction. And if this home is of interest to you or others like it in the St. Pete, Clearwater area, or you just want to talk about living near the water, I'm your guy. This is Christian Abush, licensed agent with a Real Broker. Give me a call at 727-303-1521 or shoot me a DM at CD Selling St. Pete. Have a great day.